Hello everyone, welcome back to my incredible channel Bright Beginnings. Today we will learn about important scientific instrument and their uses. Altimeter. It measures altitudes and is used in aircraft. Ammeter. It measures strength of electric current in amperes. Anemometer. It measures force and velocity of wind. Audiometer, it measures intensity of sound. Audiophone, it is used for improving imperfect sense of hearing. Barograph, it is used for continuous recording of atmospheric pressure. Barometer, it measures atmospheric pressure. Binocular, it is used to view distant objects. Bolometer, it measures heat radiation. Calorimeter, it measures quantity of heat. Cardiogram, it traces movements of the heart recorded on a cardiograph. Chronometer, it determines longitude of a place kept on board ship. Dynamo, it converts mechanical energy into electric energy. Dynamometer, it measures electrical power. Endoscope, it examines internal parts of the body. Fathometer, it measures the depth of the ocean. Galvanometer, it measures the electric current of low magnitude. Hydrometer, it measures the specific gravity of liquids. Hygrometer, it measures humidity of air. Hydrophone, it measures sound underwater. Lactometer, it determines purity of milk. Manometer, it measures the pressure of gases. Microphone, it converts the sound waves into electrical vibrations and to magnify the sound. Microscope, it is used to obtain magnified view of small objects. Periscope, it is used to view objects above sea level. Pyrometer, it measures a very high temperature. Rain gauge, an apparatus for recording rainfall at a particular place. Radiometer, it measures the emission of radiant energy. Seismograph, it measures the intensity of earthquake shocks. Speedometer, it is an instrument placed in a vehicle to record its speed. Sphygmomanometer, it measures blood pressure. Stethoscope, an instrument which is used by the doctors to hear and analyze heart and lung sounds. Tachometer, an instrument used in measuring speeds of aeroplanes and motorboats. Telescope, it views distant objects in space. Thermometer, this instrument is used for the measurement of temperatures. Thermostat, it regulates the temperature at a particular point. Viscometer, it measures the viscosity of liquids. Voltmeter, it measures the electric potential difference between two points. Thanks for watching.